This is a quick weave in a Kelly cut. Follow me on Instagram at Sugar Salon. Look at her out here loving herself, doing the selfies. Yeah. This is a quick weave pronto, you guys. Quick weave. Can you believe it? And she's loving it. She's out here with these selfies. Yeah, girl, do it. So look, this Kelly cut, this quick weave, I put tons of layers. You see that tail back there, very small, but I got a tail back there. And she's loving it. You guys, please subscribe. I'm going to be putting more content. Look at this prep work here. Put the paper strips on to protect the hair, braided the hair up. Her own hair is natural and blonde. Did that cut. You see that tail back there? She's already loving it. She kind of feeling herself already, so you can see that tail. Please like, share, and subscribe. The more likes I get, the more people follow. And look at her, you guys. This is a number 2 color hair. I put tons of layering in the front and on the sides. Look at her. She's feeling herself. That Kelly cut, that short hair pixie cut on the sides. She's loving it, doing that duck. And here's a selfie. It looked purple because I did a little app on it. And here I am. Please like, share, and subscribe. More content coming soon.